idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by going for goal! Oh, that's just stunning!
And this is already looking rather ominous for the opposition now, when a player of his calibre can open up the scoring so fantastically. It could be a very long match for that defence to prevent a recurrence.
That is out of this world. Terrific improvisation and execution. Rashford. There has been just the early goal here, and it's 1-0. And the shot! He has done it! And there's the goal they've been looking for.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground, because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Maguire. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes. He's had that as a pop. They are rampant. And they are pulling clear here.
Oh, what a cracking goal, but a cracking touch as well. That's what made it for me. That's brilliant play all round.
He's made it free. Quite a day at the office for him.
This is one of the best performances I've seen in a while. He's practically taken on this team single-handedly, and they don't know how to stop him.
Current their vision. Spike down A. Enemy spotted A.
No charges left.
Enemy spotted A.
No charges left.
Embarrassing. I'll enemy spotted A.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
Down.
Reloading.
Enemies.
Reloading.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Not bad, Tyler, but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads. I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Max this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel-Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You've done the impossible, Jess. You shut up Max.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Nice moves.
Don't expect that to work next time.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
I feel like going to a movie.
You got any extra money?
Drop your shit! Sucker! No, no!
One of
These hands are mine! Cover!
I'm reloading!
Close in! God damn it! Take cover!
blade! Wind blade! Wind blade! Wind blade!
RPG!
Frost! Frost!
Get switched on. We gotta move now.